Welcome to Learning Kids channel. Hello kids! Let's create one short story about this ice cream drawing. Are you kids ready? Let's get started. One sunny day, Mango Ice Cream was walking happily down the street. Went his little shoes. Mango Ice Cream waved at everyone. Hello kids, I am the coolest ice cream in the town. But oh no! Because the weather was very hot, Mango Ice Cream started melting slowly. Mango Ice Cream looked at his melting arm and shouted, "Oh dear, I am becoming mango soup." A little fan Mango Ice Cream friend saw him and said, "Quick, stand in front of me, my friend." The fan blew cool air. Mango Ice Cream stopped melting and felt happy again. "Thank you, my best friend. You saved my sweet day." Then Mango Ice Cream danced happily all the way home with his little friend Fan. That's all kids. How was the story? Do you like it? Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful mango ice cream drawing and start coloring. Hey kids, you finished your drawing, right? If you like my story and drawing, please tell to your parents to like, share and subscribe our channel for more funny story drawing videos. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.